This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your PS4. Resetting your console can resolve persistent glitches, improve performance, or prepare it for sale. It essentially gives your console a fresh start, clearing out old data and settings, much like a brand new device. This process is beneficial for maintaining optimal system health, responsiveness, and ensuring your personal data is securely removed. Before initiating any reset, it is absolutely crucial to back up your important game saves and user data. You can easily do this using a USB storage device, which should have at least 10 gigabytes of free space. Alternatively, if you have a PlayStation Plus subscription, your game saves automatically upload to cloud storage. Ensure everything is saved before proceeding to the next step. To perform a factory reset, power down your PlayStation 4 completely. Then, press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps, about 7 seconds apart, to enter safe mode. Connect your DualShock 4 controller using a USB cable and then select option 6, Initialize PS4. This option will reinstall the system software, deleting all user data. For a more thorough wipe, choose Initialize PS4 Full from the Safe Mode menu. This process takes a few hours, perhaps 2 to 3, but completely erases all data, making it unrecoverable. It is the best choice when selling or gifting your console, ensuring total privacy. Once completed, your PlayStation will be just like it was on the very first day you bought it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.